Are you a business owner, CFO, or HR manager trying to reduce payroll taxes and offer better benefits to your team? Then you need to understand the Section 125 Cafeteria Plan, also known as a Cafeteria 125 plan or a pre-tax benefits plan. In this guide, you'll discover what it is, how it works, what most companies do wrong, and how to do it right with getchoiceplans.com. Let's start with the basics. A Section 125 plan is an IRS-approved program that lets employees pay for certain benefits using a pre-tax dollars. This includes things like health insurance premiums, dental and vision coverage, dependent care expenses, and flexible spending accounts. When employees use pre-tax dollars, they lower their taxable income, so they pay less in federal, state, and FICA taxes, and employers benefit too, saving up to 7.65% in payroll taxes on every eligible dollar. But there's a catch. Setting up a Section 125 plan yourself isn't easy, and getting it wrong can cost you big. Here's why. First, the IRS code for Section 125 is over 100 pages long, filled with dense tax law and strict compliance rules. To set one up properly, you need a written plan document that defines eligibility, elections, plan year, mid-year change rules, and more. You're also required to run and document annual non-discrimination testing to prove your plan doesn't favor highly compensated employees. Then there's payroll. You'll have to coordinate pre-tax deductions with your payroll system, track elections, and make sure you stay compliant with every update from the IRS. And it doesn't stop there. You're also responsible for communicating the plan to employees, distributing summary plan descriptions, managing changes, and keeping detailed records, just in case you're audited. That means involving HR, accounting, legal, payroll, and in many cases, hiring outside consultants just to stay above water. So, what's the alternative? Let getchoiceplans.com handle everything for you. We deliver turnkey, Section 125 plans that are 100% IRS compliant without the time, risk, or hassle. Our service includes legally compliant plan documents, automated non-discrimination testing, seamless payroll integration, employee communication tools, ongoing compliance updates, annual renewals. It's fast, affordable, and eliminates all the complexity of managing it on your own. Our clients save thousands in payroll taxes every year while offering real financial value to their employees. You didn't start your business to become a tax expert. So let GetChoicePlans.com set up and manage your Section 125 plan so you can get back to running your business. Visit GetChoicePlans.com now to schedule your free consultation.